All right, let's revisit some earnings. Paytm, just a short while ago, came out with its quarterly numbers. The losses have come in at 550 crore rupees and the company's revenue is down 2.9%. Rahul Jain is joining in from Daulat Capital to break down the earnings for us. Rahul, given that we were going in with expectations that it would have been a tempered set of numbers this time around from Paytm, the fact that there has been so much news as well with the Paytm Payments Bank, how are you reacting to that 550 crore rupee balloon loss figure?
Actually, if we look at the current quarter's number, this is also impacted by one impairment that they have taken on the PPBL business. So this is not a cash impact, but this is more about writing off the investment given the uncertainty involved, and practically PPBL would have a very irrelevant business unless the embargo from RBI reverses eventually. So they have taken this 227 crore of write-off towards that. So that is extended the losses. Adjusted for that, the losses are lower. However, I would see the more important metrics here rather than Q4 number would be some of the data points that they have talked about April, May month, because that is where more importance would lie.
Rahul, is it possible for you to tell us that what really has been the impact of RBI ban on their financials per se? I mean, how much has come only because of that RBI decision?
Nikunj, if you see, there are a couple of things that has happened, right? So there is one which is only specific to the wallet business, which is related to the PPBL. That business will, in the current understanding, would not exist. So the revenue impact of that alone would be upwards of 1,000 crore on an annualized basis. And similarly, there was curtailment of the BNPL product, which started in the month of December. So that is another impact where there is uncertainty about whether the product would start. So purely from these 2-3 products, FASTag, Wallet, BNPL, the cumulative impact is quite significant, upwards of 1,500 crore cumulative. So that is what we could assess at this point. In their comment, they have said some of the product would eventually start. So the net impact may be different, but this is what we could assess at this point.
So Rahul, what's the call on the stock right now? You think much of the damage and pain is in the price? Is it still in a void? What do you do?
Yeah, essentially the current market cap clearly factors in that there is a huge amount of uncertainty, there is huge amount of business impact. How quickly they could revive back is very, very tough call to make. And that's why, given so much uncertainty around these things, the valuation are very, very basic, as if the company is not going to do anything for at least 1 year plus. So as and when the number improves, then only the trigger would come into the name. If we just talk about the core intrinsic value of the platform and the customer count, that number has to be way higher. There are some indication that GMV data which they have shared has improved in the month of May versus month of April. There is also the MTU data which they have shared is still they have 8 crore monthly transacting user in the month of April. So some of these data are still having value in it, but they need to make significant amount of progress versus where they are today for stock to really make sense for a wider set of audience. Till that time, it would be avoid for a very, very large set of investor, and very rightfully so.
Right. Okay, Rahul, great to have you in the show. Thanks for that quick analysis on Paytm.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.